What if you could run a whole AI army from one dashboard, without Docker, without server setup, and without spending your weekend wrestling with API keys? So I've been looking at OneManArmy, and the big promise is simple. One person, one dashboard, 3 specialized AI workers.
Right, Paperclip handles planning, OpenClaw handles execution, and Hermes handles memory. The page positions it as a hosted AI command dashboard, not just another chatbot.
And that's the first thing I like. It's not trying to be everything. It's trying to be a coordinated system that helps you actually get work done.
The problem the page keeps coming back to is setup friction. Most people can't get multiple AI tools working together without technical headaches.
Exactly. The sales page says people get stuck with Docker, servers, API keys, updates, and tools that don't remember what happened last week.
So OneManArmy tries to remove that bottleneck by giving you a cloud-hosted system that's already wired up and ready to deploy.
The mechanism is actually pretty clear. You log in, pick a bot, answer a short setup wizard, and deploy from the browser.
Then Paperclip acts like the commander, OpenClaw acts like the field operator, and Hermes acts like the memory specialist. The page also says you can run parts of it through Telegram, Slack, or Discord.
So instead of juggling a bunch of disconnected tools, you're directing a stack that's supposed to work together from day one.
There's a lot here. The command dashboard has one-click deploy, restart, suspend, and resume. It also shows bot status and persistent state across sessions.
I also like that the page includes a pre-built agent library, commercial license, mobile-friendly access, and built-in support.
And the training angle is strong too. They include an operator's academy with step-by-step lessons so beginners aren't left guessing.
Now, on the proof side, the page leans on a few things: a demo walkthrough, GitHub star counts, open router rankings, and several named testimonials.
That matters because it gives the offer more texture than vague marketing. You can see how the product is supposed to work, and you can see real user feedback on the page.
I'd still treat leaderboard claims as supportive context, not a guarantee of your own outcome, but they do help explain why the page feels confident.
Pricing is one of the clearer parts of the page. The front end is listed at $47 one time, and the bundle is $347.
Then there are upgrades at $67, $67, $97, and $197, depending on whether you want more instances, pre-built personas, an agency kit, or reseller rights.
The page also says the offer includes 1 year of hosting, 1 month of AI access, a 14-day guarantee, and 4 bonuses, so the launch value is pretty loaded.
I'd say this is best for solo operators who want AI leverage without technical setup.
It also fits agency owners, freelancers, and service providers who want a system they can use for client work, especially with the commercial license included.
And if you're the kind of person who wants structure, memory, and action in one place, this looks especially relevant. My honest read is that OneManArmy is a strong launch offer if you want a hosted way to run multiple AI workers without getting stuck in setup hell. It looks especially good for practical builders who care about workflow, not hype. The page is clear about pricing, clear about the mechanism, and clear about who it's for. Results vary, of course, and the vendor does not publish verified earnings data, but as a product package, this looks well thought out and genuinely useful. If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.